Hey, what's up? My name's Jason. Welcome to the channel. First off, I'd like to say I hope you and your family and friends are all doing well and that 2022 has gotten off to a good start for you. I myself have been missing in action the last couple years. Basically, I've been a stay-at-home dad, and that has kept me really busy, along with the occasional side gig. And I love it. I wouldn't change my situation for the world. But recently, things have changed, especially schedule-wise, and now I have some free time, and I really want to take advantage of it and put some energy and effort into the channel. And speaking of the channel, primarily the type of content I've done revolves around 3D art, particularly stylized game assets, from modeling, sculpting, texture building, texture painting. But I would like to expand out a little bit to include a little bit more content creation type stuff that is related artistically and creatively, not specifically to game art, but these are things that will, in my opinion, help support any type of art you do. Things like graphic design, illustration, drawing and painting, all digital. I also want to bring in a little bit of hardware and software reviews. It's something that I've always wanted to include in the channel, and I feel like this would be a good time to kind of squeeze it in, and all of this is from the perspective of somebody who's self-taught as an artist. And for like beginners and novices, people kind of just more on the beginning of their art journey, if you will. And last, but certainly not least, I would like to explore different ways you and I can take our hobby and move it into a side hustle situation. Because for me, and probably for you, the dream is to kind of take something that we love doing, that we're passionate about, and make a career out of it. And going from a hobbyist to a side hustler, I guess, is probably a good first step, in my opinion. And I hope you will share this adventure with me. If you are interested in this type of content, I have a video coming up real soon on a question or topic, if you will, that I feel every digital artist will confront on their journey. At some point, you will have this question as a digital artist. So make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and if you like the type of content we're going to be doing, hit that like button and look out for that next video. Until then, see you next time. Boom.